Good evening, ma'am. Another big event for KFC. Paano ito na-develop ng ganito kalaking event?
Hi, hello. Ako po si Charmaine Bautista Pamituan, Chief Marketing Officer ng KFC. So, KFC Philippines po is part of the global brand, no, na KFC. So, ito po tinatawag natin Kentucky Town is actually a global activity that's happening all over the world for KFC, no. So, globally, Philippines po is part of more than 130 stores na may KFC, and yung ating stores in the Philippines is part of the more than 30,000 stores ng KFC globally, no? So, ang Kentucky Town po is also ginagawa na siya in other countries like South Africa and then Malaysia. And dito, we want Philippines to actually, or Filipinos to experience KFC Kentucky Town. That's why we decided to actually bring the Kentucky Town experience here in the Philippines.
Pakilan ng Pilipinas nagsagawa ng ganitong event?
Ay, madami na po. Hindi ko namin, we can't keep count. Pero this year, KFC Philippines is one of the first ones to do Kentucky Town.
Pero well-attended tong event na to. Paano ginawa nyo?
Maraming salamat. Kasi ito pong Kentucky Town natin is our biggest thank you shout out to our KFC customers. So, when we decided to do this is actually free concert passes po ito. So all they need to do is actually present a 300 peso single receipt purchase sa KFC. Tapos punta sila sa SM Ticket outlets, and then i-claim na nila. So when we announced this po last May 11, in 4 days, sold out po yung ating 5,000 tickets.
Ganun kabilis?
Marami pa nga po naghihingi, nag-ask para mag-open pa. So we opened slots yesterday, and in hours, ubus na siya. So we are really overwhelmed with the turnout. No? So worth it po lahat ng pagod at hirap. No? So to mount this activity, it actually took us parang 3,000 hours to do all of this. And then also I'm supported by 1,700 people, no, to mount this event.
Sa Manila lang gagawin ito? Gagawin ba ito sa Cebu? This is actually, we did this in December sa Music Hall. And this year, we're doing it again in MOA, pero concert brand siya. And if plans permit, ang plano po namin is actually to bring KFC Kentucky Town closer to the market. So, aside, we may go out of Metro Manila, and hopefully po, in the next few years, when we roll this out, we can actually visit also our friends in Visayas, our fans also in Mindanao. Pero wala pang schedule?
Wala pa po.
Ilan ang expected yung audience today?
We actually released po more than 5,000 concert passes.
Laki, dami.
Aside po from that, we also have our partners. So meron po dyan, kasama po natin dito ang Spotify, kasama natin dito si Gcash, kasama din po natin si Grab, si Darklink Studios, kasama din po natin si Royal, Linya, together with our sister companies, Mr. Donut and Toki Tokyo.
How do you select the artists who will participate? How do you select them?
Sige, so nakita po naman natin, no, our Gen Zs, no, they enjoy different types of music, no, so we want this music festival to be really parang a combination of different music genres. So meron tayong for P-pop, meron tayong rap, so meron tayong ballad, so rock, so yeah. So we wanted to bring them all together kasi yun yung essence or the beauty of a music festival, because kahit ano yung type of music, kahit anong music genre mo, so we welcome ka always in KFC. As like how our recipe originator says it, no? So parang everybody has a seat in the KFC table. So ganun din sa entertainment.
Pero nakabandera sa inyo si parokya ni Edgar, why?
So aside from parokya, so makita nyo naman, meron din kaming Adi, Vita, so dami pa.
Kasi yun ang matulog, yung pinakamatakal na.
Nahalata ba dahil kahira ko sila?
O yun, nakaira na. Ayaw ko pala, mas matanda pala ako. Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Okay, thank you
for the success.
Thank you,
bye-bye.
O sige, sige, okay. Thank you.